Welcome to Combat Cocktails. I'm not going to say anything to my co-hosts, Stan and Ian, because they're like, what is going on? And they keep asking me questions.
We don't even know. The lime's still here.
Fucking, I don't know.
Yeah, lemons fit in it?
No! Put all that away.
Does it make lime wheels?
It does not make lime wheels. This is an ice press for making sphere ice molds.
Does it make dead spot?
No.
Yeah. Does not make...
No, exactly what he said.
And no, they're not a sponsor, so you can swear or whatever. So it's a two-piece. Yeah, it's a two-piece thing. It's
I think I need one with my name on it.
Right. There's no batteries.
No batteries?
Christmas is coming.
Nothing?
Christmas is coming. Think about this. So this is all it is. It's just a really lot of fucking metal.
Let me see. Whoa! No.
It's a
That was
machine
over
piece.
dramatization. It's a machined thing with a laser engraving of my logo on the front.
That's pretty cool.
Of course.
So it's got an air hole.
It's got an air. That's not an air hole.
It's
a water hole.
That's a water
It's a hole. It's got a hole. I can blow air through it.
I'll show you.
Yeah,
all right, let's see how this thing works.
All right. So basically, you take
I
science.
need one.
You take this.
All right.
You're going to take this little piece of ice brick.
That's a
right?
big piece
You're
of
gonna
ice.
Put it right here.
So this
Now,
is pressure happening because we know pressure will melt ice.
You know pressure's going to melt ice. So this...
Why is it happening so fast though?
Oh, that's
Because
fast?
it's lots of pressure.
I don't know.
What, if we push, does it go faster?
No, look at it. It's already going. How much faster do you need it to go?
No, you can't. No, it's the metal. No, you don't press it.
I'm just curious.
So basically,
It's
you're...
experimenting.
Right, but the first experiment is to leave the shit alone.
What if we put this here?
Again.
That's my garnish.
What if we put more metal on it?
Yes.
Maybe- is it the type of metal?
Right. It's like a cylindrical guillotine.
Yes.
Look at that thing.
Right.
That happens pretty fast.
I know. And this is doing nothing for
Oh,
you.
there goes the water. It was
Yes.
stopping the water.
It was like a
That
pimple.
was stop. No.
Diane said
like-
it would be Ian that finds the hole.
Are you trying to block it so it just
Does it
stops?
stop?
It'll just pour out of another hole, right? I mean, this is fucking science happening. This
I
is.
know. I'm just testing science.
You just keep wanting to finger this thing.
Why can't you just let it be? Like
I
you.
don't know. I gotta play with shit.
That's pretty awesome. That's fast.
And it's
It makes
pretty
it-
much done right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's still got. It looks like it's still got a little bit.
Oh,
of
you were
work.
just pressing on it. You were yelling at me.
Look at it. And it's water.
Just saying. Yeah, it is.
So.
Good point.
Oh!
He's got glasses.
Yeah.
You fuck with me. Okay.
So if it leaves in there, is it going to continue to melt? Or no, because there's no pressure on it.
There's no pressure on
There's
it.
no pressure on the
It's just
sphere.
gonna fucking
So what do you think's inside?
Is it done?
I think there's a cube of ice in there.
But what does it look like?
Look at that.
It's not a
Whoa, that's pretty fucking cool.
So you have, well,
wall.
except for my,
Shit,
except for
that's
my
pretty
ice,
cool.
my ice wasn't big enough, but
That
it's
is pretty badass.
it's a
I will say.
fucking
That's
cube,
pretty cool.
right? Like
I don't know if I would invest,
It's a sphere. So
It's
How
a-
much
it's
is
a
this?
clear-
but it's very cool.
So mine is a little bit more expensive.
Touch.
no!
So this is like total like this is gonna be Christmas.
Give me a bigger piece of ice.
That is really smooth.
Hold on.
Yeah, but you're gonna want to
give
cool
to
it.
Ian.
Hold on,
Oh, get out here.
hold on. Let me warm it up so that we can make.
Oh, you have to warm it up?
Well, it's fucking cold right now because we just used it.
Just iced it.
Is there a bigger one in
So
there?
do you warm it up
What are we
beforehand?
going to do with this now?
Well,
'Cause
I
this is
just-
full.
We're gonna put it in-
Glass.
We're gonna put it in Stephen Fozy's drink that we're gonna
There
make.
you go.
Decorative.
Yeah, I don't know what you're gonna do.
Here, dump this.
It's science.
Fucking science.
What do you think, this piece?
Science is pretty awesome. Let's try. Yeah, maybe. I have no idea.
Look for the holes. Look for the holes.
Oh, there we go.
Holes up.
It's really not complicated, Dan, but you can make it
Apparently it
more
is.
so if you wish to.
There it goes.
Look at it.
Now push really hard. Does it make a difference? Watch your fingers.
What? How do you fast do you think
Yeah,
it's
you're
gonna go
not
down?
4.
Oh, yeah? I'm not going to break it.
It's fucking metal.
Yeah, you can't do anything to break it.
You can bend the bars and then it won't slide down as easy.
Sullivan's like, how many uses does this ice sphere get before Ian breaks it?
See?
Question of the day: how many uses do we get? So the ice sphere press is from
Can we make it really tall? one?
BrevaTech, BrevaTech.com. It's so these
Are they
aren't
gonna
cheap.
send me one?
I can ask them, but they're not. So they sent it to me for free, and they like, you want your logo on it? I'm like,
That's
of
pretty
course
cool.
I want my logo on it. All of this is before I actually ever went to their website. So
I can't believe it happened so fast.
I know. So it's $199. Now how much would you pay?
I thought you said it was 300.
Mine's $300 because it's got my logo in it. If you just
Look at
wanted
that.
this standard, It's $199.
Oh, I want something that says like Dan.
Yeah, if you wanted a fucking logo on it or like a penis or something, you're gonna
So when you
need.
get divorced, you get to take it.
Yeah. She'll be like, I'm taking this thing.
Nope.
I'm pressing.
Says Dan.
I'm like, nope. Those are my balls. Only I get to press my balls.
Yeah. Exactly.
Exactly, because you're getting divorced.
That's right.
So
Look at it. It cuts it right off and still going. Look at like a ninja.
where's my sphere ice?
Like a
We
ninja.
can test it. So
You can't. No, it's not broken
Slides.
yet. You gotta wait. No, it's cool. It's almost.
See, you play with it, and it breaks. That's why we can't have nice things.
Well done.
I think so.
So it's look, it's done. You could get tweezers and shit. I just flip it upside down and pull out. Good luck fucking pulling it out by hand, right? So you have to get
How do
a.
you get it to be like completely round?
You need a big piece of ice.
See that?
Is there another
Oh,
piece
look
of
at
ice?
you,
there?
Hercules.
Look at it. It's like.
Yeah, because
That's
you
pretty
used
neat.
ice that was
It wasn't big.
that wasn't big enough. Not that you'd necessarily be able to tell when you put it in there.
Hold on.
There. Hold on. We gotta make it warm.
Make it warm.
What do I have to do?
Just run it underwater.
Yeah. Oh, you're gonna run
I
it
use
under
hot water to cool it.
Here, you gotta empty this too.
Because that's a lot of fucking.
This,
look at how
this
fast
shark
you make-
plate can't handle that much water. It's awesome.
Is this yours or mine? No.
Eric, how
This is
long
mine.
would
'cause it's
the
good
clear
crap.
ice sphere last in a drink compared to your average joke?
I don't know. Let's find out.
Let's put don't put the fucking root beer in there.
You want root beer?
Put like a real whiskey. Let's put the larceny in, or what? Let's put.
I got larceny.
All right, let's put some larceny.
All right. So here's the problem. So which one should I do?
Doesn't matter.
This one's clearer.
Yeah.
So you want to know how to do this?
Wow, that's a lot of fucking whiskey, dude.
I know.
What are you doing?
He's sleeping here. That's what
explaining.
he's
So what happens is,
Literally.
so here's the
How did
trick.
you die? Well,
Well, think about this. Two things.
yeah.
We could probably measure this out by just taking it out and figuring out how much that was displaced to figure out how much whiskey's actually in there. I'm
Yeah.
gonna guess 3.5 ounces. So here's the problem with science.
Yeah.
What people do is this.
4, 5, 6, 5.
Let's pick another product so we don't run too much out of that one. But let's say we take this, and this is what whiskey. This is what they tell you to do on these websites.
Yeah.
Right. So even on these guys' websites, this is how they pour their cocktail.
Yeah.
Okay, looks great, right? But the whole purpose of the circles is
terrible.
for dilution rate to go down, right?
Yeah.
So you want surface area, you want science to happen. But here's the
You gotta empty
problem.
that.
Okay.
If you do the science, if you're gonna play the game of I'm gonna do circles because it's better for dilution, what the fuck? So if you're gonna do circles for
Yep.
better for dilution, the difference between these two is that this product, the ice that's in here,
Oh yeah, this is actually.
all the dilution that's happening is transferring the ice into the
hot. This is
into
gonna
what do
work
we
really
have here? Tequila, rum,
Whiskey.
whiskey, right? So this is 100. All the chill.
Oh, that's a big one.
That's
Oh,
it.
hold on
That's
for a
it.
second.
Just put that whole thing in there.
Oh,
Put
that
the
is
whole
hot
thing in.
as shit.
Oh, there's two together. I tried to.
Oh.
That's okay. I didn't want that one.
It was at her. It was at her.
Hold on.
This thing's hot.
It is. It's fucking out of shit.
Thank you, Derek.
Oh, so the science here is
Mine's
this.
going faster than yours did.
Apparently, this is worth a couple $100 of fun.
It is.
But look.
Look at how awesome drinks you can make. Wait a minute. So what are you saying?
Wait, say that again.
Okay, let me tell
awesome
you
drinks
how
you
this
make?
works.
Is that a plug or is that just bad English? I can't tell what you're doing there.
Wow, that is really fast what you just did there.
Because
Holy
I heated the
shit!
fuck out of it.
Look how fast that was.
It's still warm.
Look how hot.
You
that
better
was.
take it out before you don't have a sphere
You have
anymore.
a bad sphere.
Oh, I think you might
Oh,
have
that's a
perfect
good one.
circle.
No way.
Oh, he did it.
Oh, look at that! Oh my god! I'm fucking buying one of these things.
We need
It's
a glass.
awesome.
Why don't I have any more glasses?
No, don't do
no,
anything.
I'm doing something.
What are you? Oh my god! Don't ruin it.
I'm doing something.
Oh my
Look,
god! Oh, don't ruin it. It's awesome.
I can't ruin this. It's not
It's
working.
like a miracle happening. You gotta like.
Look at
Look at that.
That's like Lion
Screw
King
that
action.
shit.
Yeah.
I'm holding that up like Simba.
Here.
What's the horror movie where that ball spins around?
No,
Like-
Phantasm.
Yes. Kills everybody.
Yeah, that's what my ball would do. I'm sticking a knife in that thing.
Look at that thing.
Don't watch that. Scary.
That's awesome.
She loves scary movies.
We have
So-
to use this when we drink.
We will. So let me. Now that everybody's like sufficiently confused on why I haven't finished my statement, The difference between these two here.
I think we know why you haven't finished the statement.
Nope, because it's
Hold
fucking
on.
chaos.
I did have a second one.
Chaos.
The difference between these two here is that one fully covers the ice. This one does not. So that means this one, whenever there's dilution occurring, it is transferring the cold into the liquid, right? But this one, half of the dilution is in the air. So it's taking the cold and it's taking it into the air, right? When it takes it into the air, it makes water. So all it's doing is adding water to your drink. This one is adding water with chill. So if you don't cover the
Which
product
lessens the
completely,
dilution because it's not.
right,
Yeah.
you're actually making
It's
this one's going to
neutralizing
take
the
a lot
temperature.
longer
Normalizing the temperature.
to dilute because
Yeah.
the equilibrium between between the liquid.
Oh, and that's
And
it.
this one is literally it's taking the air and going, oh, I can make the air colder, and I need to sweat off all this ice, and it's just fucking diluting your drink with lukewarm water. So that's the same as just taking a tap and go and making water out of it. Where this one is creating a
that?
proper drink. But this is what everybody shows you.
You need for that in your mouth.
No, you gotta be professional. Jen.
I bet you. Dan, you're number one.
Yeah, see?
I knew it.
You're number one. I can totally do that.
As Felix says, until you drink enough and it goes below the sphere.
Do the one that's totally
just drink
round.
slower, or you always refill it. But that is why, if you're going to show a presentation of a clear ice sphere, the ice sphere should actually encompass the entire product. Otherwise, it's not really valuable.
That's pretty cool.
The next thing, I have a video up here which goes through how to make clear ice. I will give
It's
you
gonna
the.
smoke when I lift it.
It's still spinning.
I think I took my
It's not there this time.
ice tray away.
It's still spinning.
So
It's perfect sphere.
if you wanted to make a clear ice
That's pretty
block
cool.
like those, the way you typically do it is you have to do directional freezing. So I have a little cooler thing that fits right in the freezer, and I fill the damn thing with water. I put it in the freezer for 24 hours. I come back, I take it out, and what happens is it always puts a coat
It's a,
of ice around the bottom, so you end up with a pocket of water in the middle of a big ice block. You drain the water out, and now you have all that fucking ice block, and you cut it, and you make that, and now you can put it in here and make a fucking clear ice cube. Boom!
What do you think the coefficient of friction is on that?
look at that thing. It's still
100. I don't even know what the fuck the measure. What units are we in?
Coefficient of friction. Lower number, less friction.
0.02.
No matter what you said, he was saying that.
No.
But thanks for playing.
No.
Feel free to take home with you as our gift.
So this
Still going.
What happens if we put the orange in there?
is $199. If you want it etched and engraved, it's
not gonna work.
$299.
Science.
If you want it with
It's not
the
hydraulic.
clear ice,
Put it in
or not clear ice, if you want it with square ice trays, like the silicone ice trays,
Not gonna do it.
you can buy that too. It's $209. Personally, I say
Yeah,
go with
small range.
$199 and make your own clear ice using the
cold.
ice. What do you call it
So-
thing? The cooler that we have. It's in the video I linked. You can buy the cooler, affiliate links, and all that bullshit to be able to make the clear ice. All the videos I see are people doing
No
this with regular ice, so it ends up being white. So all you see is a white sphere, and they're like, "Look at it, I made a clear
No,
ice."
look at that.
You
That's
gotta do it
awesome.
with clear ice, not with
Yeah.
just a white ball in the middle. That's
No.
cool. Anyway, you could do that. You could do that with the silicone tray.
That's why I can only come over here and do this because I'm not going to make clear ice.
Right. But if
Well,
you
you
have,
have this,
Derek
and then
will.
Derek brings over his clear ice.
No, he just brings over the clear ice and that thing, and I just make balls all
That's
night.
what Ian just said.
it is.
Yeah.
What did I pour here? This is really good.
What?
Oh, is that what you said?
But yeah, definitely.
No, you said that I have it. He brings over the clear ice.
Does anybody remember?
I
this
said he
is
brings over
Rumson's.
both,
Right.
Oh,
and I just make clear
this
ice.
is Rumson's. This is Grand Reserve. I was wondering why it was so tasty.
It's still spinning.
I know. See? It's amazing.
So-
All right, now you gotta make Steven's drink so endless.
All right.
All right, I
So
would buy
all
this.
I want to tell you is, if you're looking for a gift, and I'm not being paid to say this, I actually wasn't gonna even put this on video at all. But when I
pretty
made one, I was
Pretty
like,
effing cool.
there's a lot of cool factor to this.
There is.
Like, but the problem is at $200 for a piece of metal. But when I looked,
How the
like
fuck is that still spinning?
all the other ones, if you wanted to buy one for a bar, they're $1,000. Or you could go and buy it
What?
from like these. They're typically $600 to $1,000 for one of these.
For that same thing? Or
It's
they
bigger.
It's bigger.
No, the ones
I
I.
thought you said the one for the bar is bigger.
So did I. That's what I thought. I went out, I looked, and they're not any different. The
I
only
wonder if they
difference
have
is.
a heating element in there,
No.
so you don't have to.
Oh yeah, they come with tongs.
Okay.
They come with a thing that goes on top, like a metal sheet that like collects water instead of the
probably
tray.
just keep doing
So
it.
this is like $400 out of the total value of the thing.
Spinning.
So it is.
It's gonna stop any second though. Right?
This is.
No,
Yeah, it's going. Yeah,
it's like moving like the Earth now.
yeah.
It is.
Maybe the Earth's moving.
Holy fuck.
Never
this
thought
is-
of that, did you?
That thing's pretty cool.
Um,
I should Instagram that. Let's make another one.
Just get your camera out right now. It's going.
There you go. If you want one, go to you can click
That
on the
one's
link
spinning.
below. I'll put it in there,
No,
but
it's
it's
bobbing.
BrevaTech.com.
Still.
You can
it's
also
gonna
just
stop.
search
It's gonna
for. I
stop.
think it's called the Glacier. It's the or Ice Press Bevra in Google. You probably find it.
Yeah.
Not the cheapest. They did have a Kickstarter program,
amazing.
but it's cheaper than all
That
the
is
other
pretty cool.
alternatives.
The fact that you can make
Clear
like
ice.
ice balls within like
Yeah.
seconds.
Crazy.
Because honestly, to make the square ice, that's really not challenging. It's like
Yeah.
put it into a cooler and let it freeze. To make sphere ice, typically when you do the ice spheres,
Yeah.
to get it to be clear,
It's awesome.
it's a pain in the balls. And then you always end up with like a little thing on the top that they crack really easy
Oh,
because
yeah.
of the way they're made. This makes it easier because those are solid, and all you're doing is diluting everything around it and making a fucking mold out of it. It's genius!
It's genius.
It's why you carve things out of stone instead of cast them out of stone, right? When you're making a sculpture, you carve. You're removing material as
Right,
opposed to
rather
trying
than
to,
trying to build
create the stone in the shape of what you want.
It never comes out like what you expect.
Doesn't.
But this does.
Yeah, it does.
A
All right.
remake of the World of Warcraft drinks from a year ago. Oof. Let's not get them into that.
Sidebar
Too late.
is the video that shows you how to make clear ice in like a 2-minute video. I did a quick one with some swears, I think, in it. And then down below, Australia's Bartender Starter Kit, because why wouldn't you?
Do it.
That's
Because
it.
if you're going to make these ice balls,
You need
you want to
drink.
look like you know how to make cocktails.
And we actually sell these glasses.
And if you know how to make cocktails, everyone's like, that's awesome.
And then you're a fucking hero.
Trust me.
We'll teach you how to
It
do
works.
Boom!